Yes, so sugar plus water gives you sugar water. 125 plus x gives you 198. I don't know x. I will get it when I subtract it. Now, faster or slower. Here I'll talk what will happen when I increase the temperature or decrease the temperature. Temperature affects the rate at which chemical reactions occur too. Example goes, when you're heating and cooking the carrot, it will be cooked faster. If you are heating at a very, very low flame, the temperature it's getting, so of course the reaction will be slow. Yes, it will cook, it will take time, but it depends upon the flame. It will not be faster. Like example, I just take a lighter or a candle and try to cook my food. And then I put my food on the stove where it's, where high flames. Where do you think it will cook faster? I'm sure you're saying that it's on the stove, not with the candle, because high temperature will make it to cook faster. That's what here we are saying, faster or slower. As you read this way, circle two clue words or phrases that signal a detail as an example of added fact. Okay, you'll just say also, that means something is added here. Increasing temperature often speeds up the chemical reaction. Increasing oven temperature speeds up the chemical changes that occur when a cake bakes or a potato cooks. It will burn if you increase more and more. When you decrease the temperature, usually slows down the rate of chemical reaction. Like example goes, you know that strawberries, when your father or your mom gets, they immediately put it into the fridge. You know it cannot stay longer in the hot temperature. You need to decrease the temperature and keep and store these strawberries. It will be rotten very fast. So this is why food stays fresh longer when it is kept cool. Also, unused batteries stay charged longer when kept in the refrigerator. We say that if it's not using, you keep it in the refrigerator, it can stay fresh for a longer time. The chemical change that makes food spoil are slowed down by keeping them in the lower temperature. An effervescent antacid tablet. Now, what is the meaning of effervescent? You need to underline this word and you need to write it on the here somewhere. What is effervescence? Effervescent in science is fizzing. Like fizzing of your Coca-Cola or fizzing of your Pepsi. Similarly, you have some tablets like vitamin C or antacid. Antacid means which helps to treat heartburn. You put it in the glass and suddenly you see the reaction. Now, where will it react more? In cold or hot conditions? Of course, in hot water, it will react more. So now this is the short summary here. Increasing the temperature can speed up the rate of reaction. Decreasing temperature usually slows down a chemical change. For example, the chemical changes that make food spoil are slowed down by keeping food in the refrigerator. Now here comes. Oh, you can imagine your childhood with these thermometers inside your mouth, holding thermometer inside your mouth and sitting in front of the doctor. Fevers, you feel awful, your head hurts and you have a fever. Why might having a fever be a good thing? The temperature rises above your normal temperature. Even yesterday I told you before in my class that 37 degrees the normal temperature of my body, of your body. When the low fever is between 38 and 39, okay, little fever, when you get little fever between 38 and 39, and they say the high fever is greater than 40. Low fevers help the body fight diseases. When you get fever, your body starts to fight with diseases. Okay, that means it's a better sign. High fevers can cause severe problems. Okay, we are not talking about the problems here. We are just talking about what happens with high and low temperatures. Temperatures can increase for many reasons. For example, girls, I told you when my temperature increases in my body is ready to fight with bacteria inside. Now, temperature may increase because of many reasons. Certain bacteria have material